Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get XP in FC Mobile. To start, open the FC Mobile application on your mobile phone. Once you're here, tap on Play. Here, go to Division Rivals. You need to play in Division Rivals to gain more XP. Also, go to Quests and complete all the daily quests available here. It will help you in getting more XP and rewards. In this section, we have different types of quests that are available every day. Make sure you're completing all of them daily without missing a single day. XP tokens are items that can be used to directly boost a player's XP. You can acquire these tokens through various in-game activities or purchases and apply them to players to level them up. Keep an eye out for special events, promotions, and bonuses that may offer increased XP rewards. These events are often time-limited, so take advantage of them when they're available. Being a member of a league can provide additional opportunities to earn XP, especially if the league participates in league versus league matches and complete league achievements. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.